Okay, there are some TV sets on sale and we're told that the sale price is the normal price reduced by 20%. But then they reduce the sale price by another 30%, and I've called it the clearance price. I know it's not called that in your question, but I wanted to introduce a name just to distinguish it from the normal price and the sale price. So we've got the normal price, the sale price, okay, and the clearance price, okay? So 3 different prices. Right, and the question is the clearance price 50% of the normal price? Naively, you'd think it is, because you start with the normal price, you reduce that by 20%, and then you reduce what you've got, then the sale price, by another 30%. But it's not. It's not 50%. It's different, okay? And I'll show you why. So the reason is this. Let's work out what the sale price is to start with. So we don't know what the normal price is. So you have to have the confidence to be able to say, well, it doesn't matter. I'll just call it something of my own invention. Let's call it X, okay? So we'll have X as the normal price. So we start with X, okay? Now we're reducing that by 20%. So the sale price is 20% taken off the normal price, which means you're left with 80%, okay? So the sale price, I'll do some green. Okay, sale price, if you're taking 20% off, you're left with 80%. Okay, so it's going to be 0.8 of X. Okay, because we're reducing X by 20%, which means you've got 80% left. So the sale price is 80% of the normal price. So that's where the 0.8 comes from. It's 1 minus 0.2. 0.2 is 20%. Okay? So 0.8x is the same as writing 80% of x, because 80% is 80 out of 100. 80% of x is 80 out of 100 is 0.8. It's the same as 0.8x. Okay? So the sale price is 0.8x. Good. Now the clearance price is that, the sale price, reduced by 30%. So the clearance price is the sale price, that's that, 0.8x, reduced by 30%. In other words, we're keeping 70% of it. So to reduce that by 30%, we have to multiply it by 0.7 or 70%. Okay? So again, I'll just demonstrate that over here. The clearance price is 70% of the sale price, because we're reducing the sale price by 30%, so we're keeping 70%. So it's 70% of the sale price. Okay, which is 7 out of 10 is 0.7 of the sale price. Okay, good. So the clearance price is 0.7 times 0.8 times x. What's 0.7 times 0.8? Well, 7/8 is 56, so it's going to be 0.56 x. Okay, so our clearance price is 0.56 times the normal price. If you like, we can write that as a percentage. It's 56% of the normal price. Okay? Which means the normal price, if we've kept 56%, that's the same as reducing the normal price by 44%. Okay? So that's a 44% reduction from the normal price. And as you can see, it's not 50%. The claim was that the clearance price is 50% of the normal price, which is the same as a 50% reduction. But as you can see, the clearance price is actually, it's 56% of the normal price. In other words, it's a 44% reduction from the normal price, not 50. And that's why it comes from the 0.7 times a 0.8, getting 0.56. Good. So watch out for that, okay? You have to do it sequentially. If you're reducing a price by something and then reducing that again, you have to multiply like this, and you can't just add these. Write it as a decimal, multiply them, and see what you get. Yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the like button, and it would be a massive help if you could subscribe. It would also be amazing if you could support me on Patreon. All the papers and everything are on my website, drjem.com, and I'm also on social media. Thank you.